Hey, welcome to Locksmith Keyless. Today, I'll be talking about batteries for your key fobs. I'll be teaching you how to replace the batteries on the remote. You can find the batteries that are right for you on our website, locksmithkeyless.com. You can use a screwdriver or coin to open the remotes. Most remotes are fairly easy to open, so let's begin. First, you need to find an opening in the remote, often found with a keyring or somewhere along the side. When opened, pay attention to the direction the battery is placed. Most remotes will show you the plus or minus sign. Then, you pop out the battery, find a new one, close it up, and you're done. The remote will not stop working when you replace the battery. If afterwards the remote doesn't work, it means that the battery is upside down or the remote is broken. Following up, we have the smart key. You're going to want to remove the emergency key before you open up the remote. Once you remove the emergency key, look for a flat slot along the top. Wiggle it along the side so you can have easier access. Once you open up the remote, make sure you look for the plus or minus sign. Once you change the battery, just close the remote and you're all done. Not all remotes are the same. For this one, it doesn't seem like there's any apparent way to open it up. It's simple. Just open up the key and then locate this small little insertion in the middle. With the smaller screwdriver, you're going to want to insert it inside, wiggle it a little bit, and the key should pop right out. Once you open that up, get a flat screwdriver and again open it up. Look for the positive and negative, pop the battery out, change it, close it back up, connect the key back to the remote, and you're all done. Finally, we have a GM remote. On this one, the opening is a little hidden. You will find a small pocket near the keyring. Use a flat hair screwdriver for easier access. Once you open it up, once again look for the positive and negative, change the battery, close it, and you're all done. And that concludes this video. As you can see, it is fairly easy to change remote batteries. Remember, don't use too much force when opening them, as you might potentially break the case. Thank you for visiting Locksmith Keyless. If you have any other questions or complications, feel free to give us a call at 305-629-9599 or visit our website locksmithkeyless.com.